Hey, hi guys. How are you? Doing good? ठीक है. चलो, let's solve the problem. So this is one of the interesting problem. Count spatial quadruplets. In my opinion, we should not mark this problem as an easy one. I am just giving a thumbs up. Okay, so we will just a brief about the question. We are having an array. Okay, we are having an array, integer array. I return the number of distinct quadruplets. What is that distinct quadruplets? So this is the formula. ठीक है, nums of a, which a b c d are indices, a plus b plus c, is which is should be equal to t. ठीक है, and there is one condition: a is less than b is less than c is less than d. So let's look at the constants. You can see nums length is 50. ठीक है, so we can just directly solve this problem by adding a n loops, which is 4 in this case. So brute force is just put one pointer at a first index, put second pointer at the second index, put third pointer at the third index, and fourth pointer will move over the rest of the array. ठीक है, so that is a O of n raised to 4 solution. That is very big. Can we reduce it? Yes. How? Just think backwards. What we need, our formula is nums of a plus nums of b plus nums of c equal to one of the number into the right side. ठीक है, so think backwards. We are grazing over the array from the backward direction. For each iteration we are taking a, b, c, something like this, and we are checking if that a plus b plus c plus sum is present into the set or not. Okay, if it is present we are incrementing the counter, else we are not. And when we are moving ahead from the a, whatever the a's position, right, we can act a as a d also. Whatever is the value of a, we can just add it to the set, which can we call as a frequency map. Frequency map is the key value pair where the key will be a number into the array and frequency will be count, like a count into the array, how many times it has been occurred from the rightwards. ठीक है, so let's take example. So this is a 1 1 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 5. So first of all, a, just a sec, will show you a, b, c. You can see ABC on 5 3 1. Okay, so this sum is not already present into the set, so we are adding it. Already not present into the set, we are not incrementing the counter. Then move the c will go to this 1 1 1. At last a will move this, b will move to this, and C will move to this. Now we can see, as we already selected A as a D, what was the value, earlier value of A? It was 5, right? And we have added that value into the frequency map with 5 is equal to counter 1. Take care. So, and current sum of ABC is giving that value. So in that case, we will increment the counter. And the second solution, suppose this A is coming here. At earlier iteration, we have stored this a. When a's value was 3, we have stored it as a d value, which is a 3, and frequency equal to 1. In that case, current sum, we are having that sum into the set. We are just incrementing it. That's all. So that is a O of n cube solution, which is still better than O of n raised to 4. Chalo, let's code it. Count equal to 0. Frequency map, or I will just mark it as a ST. Okay, and we have to take a length, because every time we can't just call the length function for a in a range of until how much index a can go, which is n minus 1 to 2 to minus 1 for b in a range of a minus 1, which is 1 minus 1. We can mark it as a 1 comma 0. Okay, and for c in a range of b minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. As you can see, we are just moving into the backward direction. So current sum equal to nums of a nums of b plus nums of c. And if current sum into the hash table, just increment the count. And at last, as we are using a's value as a d value, we can just check into the map. If a in hd not in hd, then just add one entry. Okay, ht of a equal to 0 and ht of a equal to increment, and return the count. I think it should work now. Let's see. Wrong answer. Okay, 1236. Okay, so 6 n minus 1 1 0 minus 1. ठीक है, b minus 1 a ht of a as a current sum. So 6 in that case. Just a second, I'm going through the question. A is grazing over n minus 1 to the 2. That makes sense. 3 to this. C. B to this. Current sum in HD. Print current sum. Let's check. Current sum. We have not stored 6. Is it true? नहीं भाई, A is the index. We have to store the value. Akash Rao, we have to store the value, not the index. Now it should work. आउटपुट लिमिट एक्सीडेड, अरे यार प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट हटाओ यार. टिप 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 टिप. Yeah guys, it is working fine. Chalo, bye. Actually, that was a good problem, and today we learned about brute force and better solution. There is a best solution. This can be solved into the O of a n square also. Chalo, bye.